Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says, during an experiment, a plant grew 2 inches the first week, 1 inch the second week, and 4 inches the third week. How many inches does the plant need to grow the fourth week to have an average growth of 2.25 inches per week? Great question. This is an average question, except we're going to have to work backwards to calculate that beginning number that we needed. So let me write everything down that they gave us. It says a plant grew 2 inches the first week, so I'm going to write 2. Then it says 1 inch the second week, so I'm going to write 1, and 4 inches the third week. Now I remember from the end of the problem, they're asking us about the fourth week, which is unknown at the moment. It says how many inches does the plant need to grow the fourth week? So this is the mystery. Let me put a box here. To have an average growth of 2.25 inches per week. Well, if you remember, to calculate the average of something, you want to add up all your numbers and divide by how many numbers you have. So what that means is you're going to end up with a total of 4 numbers, because it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's going to go into something, whatever your total is, okay? Like whatever would be down here, which we don't know yet. And when you divide that, you end up with 2.25, okay? So in order to figure out what needs to go here, I'm working backwards. Now I know that the top number and the outside number, the divisor, when you multiply them together, you're gonna get that inside number. Well, in this case, if you multiply them together, you get the number 9. So what that means is all of these numbers, the first 4, added together need to give us 9. So 9 is going to go down here at the bottom. So now again, I need to think and act in a backwards manner. So now again, I need to think and act in a backwards manner. I need to say, what's 2 plus 1? Well, it's 3. What's 3 plus 4? Well, it's 7. And then if it totals 9, that means this last number must be 2, because 7 plus 2 would give me 9. So to answer the question, how many inches does the plant need to grow the fourth week to have an average growth of 2.25 inches per week? The answer is 2. So a problem like that would go something like, what is the average of the numbers 2, 1, 4, and 2? Well, you would add them up, you get 9, and then you divide by 4, because that's how many you have, and you get 2.25. So you would say the average of those numbers is 2.25. Now, that's not what they were asking. Like I said, we had to work backwards because they were trying to get us to figure out the missing number to make the average work out to be a certain way. But to help you better understand this type of problem and why we did what we did, I explained that. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to Super Easy Math, where you can get access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.